Shodaya, Shodaya, Vishodaya, Vishodaya, Asamaya Samanta, Avapasa Saparanagati, Kagrana Sopala, Vishuddha, Adikintadona, Savatavaya, Sukata, Varamata, Amrita, Abhishekara, Mudra Mantra Mate, Ahara, Ahara, Mama Ayu Samsadara, Shodaya, Shodaya, Vishodaya, Vishodaya, Gaganaya, Swabhava, Vishuddhe, Ushnisha, Desaya, Parishu, Sahasa, Rasmi, Sanjoti, Savarvagara, Avadokiti, Shatra, Paramita, Paripurani, Sarvagata, Gadama, Dasha, Bhumi, Pradishtiti, Sarvagata, Gadavrida, Adhisthana, Adhisthiti, Mudra, Mudra, Mahamurti, Vendragaya, Sahata, Parishuddhi, Savarana, Avarana, Vishuddhi, Prati, Nivatara, Ayuru, Vishuddhi, Sarvatanaka, Samaya, Adhisthana, Adhisthiti, Om Muni Muni, Mahamuni, Mati, 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 Mahamati, Samati, Samati, Bhagavata, Bhagavati, Parishu, Diskutam, Buddheshu, Jaya, Jaya, Vijaya, Vijaya, Samara, 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 Samaraya, Sarva Buddha, Adhisthana, Adhisthiti, Siddheshu, Buddha, 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 Mahabenja, Subenja, Benjamaka, Zayaka, Vizaya, Grave, Benjara, Tolai, Grave, Benjara, Benjara, Sambhavi, Benjara, 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 Bhavantu, Mesvachiram, Sarva, Sarva, Nenzakaya, Parishuddhi, Bhava, Mesada, Sarvapadi, Parishuddhi, Sarva, Tata, Kadasa, Mamsa, Vasho, Sayantu, Mudevo, Sidya, Sidya, Bodhaya, Bodhaya, Vibodaya, Vibodaya, Modaya, Modaya, Vimotaya, Vimotaya, Shodaya, Shodaya, Vishodaya, Vishodaya, Samintaya, Modaya, Modaya, Samintaya, Rashmi, Parishu, Sarvadaya, Hridaya, Adhisthana,